Mwah. XOXO.
Hello everybody, hello beautiful people. In this video we're kicking it off with a little foot therapy. I try to do my own pedicures, beauty on a budget, and I thought, let me make this a whole affair. So I got this foot shaver from Clicks, I think it was from Clicks. I've got very dry, cracked feet. I haven't done this in a very, very long time, and usually I do it with a pumice stone, but I wanted to take it a notch further and actually shave all that dead, dry skin. I need it. I've noticed, especially in the mornings when I put on moisturizer, Vaseline, that the product is not seeping into my skin. It is not absorbing at all, which still leaves my foot dry. So I need to fix that. There's too much dead skin, there's too much dryness going on, so anything that I put on does not penetrate. Look at all those shavings, and there's a lot more where they came from. I went in on my other foot, and by the time I was done, my whole towel was white. So I'm using the Oh So Heavenly, what is it called? The Oh So Heavenly foot spa washer. This was a whole ritual for me. So I put in salts, I put in things in the water that would make me feel relaxed. As much as this is part of maintenance, I still wanted to add a little bit of me in it. So I'm going in with my pumice stone. I got this from China Mall, literally $12. And at the blue store and the green stores, this thing is about 20 to 30 rand, which is actually kind of pricey for something that I can get for 12 rand somewhere else. Anywho, I really went deep in this step because I still felt that there was a little bit of some hard skin. Even after I've shaved, there was a little bit of hardness, especially on my heels. So I went really deep in here, really hard. The stone is kind of comfortable. It is not genuine pumice stone though. I noticed that it started to dissolve, and if you live in a black household, you know the kind of stones we use. They're not like this. This is too bougie. So next is our Oh So Heavenly foot scrub. This is the star of the show. After I went in with the scrub, I felt I got exactly what I needed. It felt like it took away the rest of that hardness that I was feeling, and just left my skin really soft, very soft. And I liked it a lot. I got this trio. These products come in threes, and I got it from the blue store, and it's the foot wash, the scrub, and the moisturizer. And I really like them. Even the smell, it gives it's giving beach vibes. I'm gonna moisturize with the foot cream that came with this packet. I like moisturizers that are very creamy, very, very creamy. This was a little bit on the light side, but I feel like because I did a whole ritual from shaving to scrubbing, it just, my skin sucked it right in. It just soaked right in, and I love that. My foot felt very soft, very soft. I haven't felt that in a very, very long time, and I love it. I was feeling myself. Also got my toes done, so after I was done, I just couldn't stop. I couldn't stop feeling my foot, rubbing my feet against each other, feeling the skin. It was just so good. This is definitely something that I'm gonna keep into my routine. I do my pedicures anyway, so this is an extra step that I'm definitely not mad at. Thank you for joining me, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe, all the things. Tell your friends, tell their friends, and see you in the next one. Bye.